The Ministry of Civil Aviation has launched a detailed investigation into the Air India Express flight accident at Kozhikode on Friday. 18 people were killed in the accident. The digital flight data recorder and cockpit voice recorder have been recovered from the aircraft. A team of officials led by Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri visited the accident site. Meanwhile, the condition of 23 injured passengers, including 2 pregnant women, is said to be critical. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan announced a compensation of Rs 10 lakh each to the families of those killed in the accident. Further, Rs 2 lakh each will be given to those severely injured. Following reports that a 45-year-old passenger who died in the accident has been tested COVID positive, Kerala Health Department has directed rescue workers, officials and others who have been involved in rescue operations to go in for self-quarantine. At Rajmala in Munnar, where a landslide wiped off a settlement of tea estate workers, 6 more bodies were recovered on Saturday morning, taking the toll to 24. Many more are still buried under the debris as search operations are still on. Meanwhile, Kerala heaved a sigh of relief as rains somewhat subsided in many parts of the state. However, high ranges of Wayanad, Kozhikode and Idukki districts continued to receive moderate rains. Many areas in Upper Kuttanad region, mainly Chenganur, remained inundated and traffic between Pala and Iratupeta has been affected. 2 more COVID deaths were reported in the state today. A Kannur native identified as 71-year-old CC Raghavan and a 68-year-old Ernakulam resident are the deceased. That's all for now. Please join us again for the evening bulletin on the developments in Kerala.